I'm going to be on a sugar rush for the rest of the day. I can't keep throwing things to you. Oh my gosh! It's a little hearts.
Yes.
Hearts.
I want more coffee.
It does not.
No, I had the exact
Stitch
same.
disagrees.
Let me tell you what irks me about Chris.
They're not Fruity Pebbles.
Oh, I have a tail? He's cute.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle?
No, you're going too Elmo. It's too high pitched. He has kind of a scratchy lower voice. Why do you have a Batman figurine? No, I actually want this mug though.
No, you can't have it. This hood doesn't fit me very well. But we get into that in a different video.
Did you ever watch The Office?
No, you ask me that like every 6 weeks or
Then
so.
start watching The Office.
And Pam got married 10 years ago today.
No, it was yesterday.
Christopher,
Yes.
how do you know this? You don't watch The Office.
What irks me about Chris is he has
Let's start.
no.
Let's start this
let
video.
me tell you what irks me
Hold
about Chris. Like he can tell me that it's Jim and Pam's anniversary. He's never watched The Office. What's her last name? Pam.
Driver.
Do you know Jim's?
Hanson.
She doesn't know who Jim Henson is, Christopher.
I thought you guys were just making up names. I hate this place. I'm taking your mug. You know what I think people would enjoy, and by people I mean me? I think we should have a morning talk show. We should wear onesies and just discuss our feelings on things.
Dibs and Shelly and
In the morning.
Like how we've been just talking for 5 minutes.
This
Been
is our
recording.
talk show. What are you not getting?
Ready? And today's video, we're going to be testing out a whole, by the way, hi, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. This is my sister-in-law, Chris's younger sister. Dibs, internet dibs. So today I brought her in so we could test out some different candies and Halloween related treats and things. Christopher, who's walking behind here, will also be testing out some things.
Oh, Dibs! Oh my gosh! Everyone! I called dibs on the crust.
You have to eat the crust. It's the worst
No
part
one
of a
likes the crust.
Pop-Tart.
No
Yeah,
one's-
no one likes
It's
it.
offensive.
Okay, so we're gonna start with some cereal. These are Franken berries. Dun 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 dun. I've never had this cereal before, but apparently lots of people have. Ooh, Addams Family. They look like little ghosties.
Oh, that's fun! What is this shape though?
I thought it was a ghosty.
Is it a ghosty? I think it's like a paw.
So first we're gonna have the cereal without milk, and then we're gonna put milk into the cereal.
You're scientific. I respect that about you.
So that's what it looks like. It is fluorescent. There is no color in nature that is that color. All right.
Watermelon.
Yes. Let's first taste test sans milk.
Sans milk.
I don't like the aftertaste of it.
No, it tastes
Very
like
artificial.
medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Kids medicine.
yeah.
I keep eating it though.
The marshmallow isn't as offensive.
Well, I guess we'll try it with milk because I said that we were going to.
You said you were gonna try it. With Need more coffee. Done. Oh, I really hate that. Stitch says no. Nippa! Why are you French?
Je ne sais quoi. This is not very good. There's better stuff out there. Like the stuff we tested out in the pumpkin spice. You missed out. I'm just saying.
Let me Chris Morocco this.
Don't make him a verb.
He's a verb, deal with it.
I disagree fundamentally with pumpkin spice food.
It's like cinnamony.
No, but the problem is it's not. If it was, I would be on board. But it's not. It's sugary and it tastes bad always.
If you say so. I still think it was better than that.
Oh, well, anything's better than that.
Terrible way to start the video. I'm very upset. But next we have Pop-Tarts. Frosted chocolate fudge. And it has like fun little icing on it. Who can be mad about that? No one. No one can be mad about this. And chocolate fudge is, I think, one of my favorite flavors of Pop-Tarts.
I'm always curious whenever there's on a package like a face on a food item, how much they're gonna mess up the face. Oh! Well,
It's kind of
that's fun.
smudgy, but like...
No, but I thought it was supposed to be the face, but there's like
Yeah.
cartoons on it. That's
Oh,
so
oh,
cute.
and they're all different.
That pumpkin is lit.
Please do not eat me. But I was expecting this like face on it though.
Yeah.
Which it was not. I'm gonna put this one in the, I was gonna say in the freezer. That's not gonna help me. This into the toaster, and that one we can split out. I always wanna eat the inside first, but then it always leaves the crust. Marvelous.
Oh, I miss Pop-Tarts. What a fun way to start your day.
I like how it's starting the day with Pop-Tarts. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Christopher, you wanna try a Pop-Tarto? It's very good.
Do you hear him running? They're whimsical. They have comics on them.
This is
Well, I
it.
get my own, right?
Well, yeah, they're in the toaster though.
It's so hot. Ah!
That tastes exactly like a chocolate fudge Pop-Tart.
See, it has like a little comic on it.
I get it.
I've also never had a Pop-Tart warm. I realized that.
They're supposed to pop.
Oh, well, and I actually didn't realize that that was the reason it was named that until this moment. Oh, I don't like it warm.
Really?
Are you gonna finish that?
Okay,
Wait,
now
we need the plate!
Oh, Christopher approves of the Pop-Tart. We all do. Consensus. Good job.
Wow.
Okay, ready? Okay, now I have another bag of goodies, and I'm just going to pull one out randomly. Are you ready? Peeps! Have you ever had Peeps?
No, and I was just gonna say, I've always wanted to try it.
So I want also to be surprised. They're 3 Peeps. Okay. Look how cute these are. I love them.
This is fun.
I really like them. We got our pumpkins, our ghost, and our Frankensteins.
There's always the one person who points out that Frankenstein isn't the monster. See,
Yeah.
those are so cute. I feel happy. Has anyone thought of a Peeps cereal? IT team, can you look up if there's a Peeps cereal?
Pretty recent.
Oh, really? How recent?
April of this year.
Oh, I was right behind. I could have been a millionaire.
Listen, Peeps, you know what you need? A really good idea for me, but I'm not going to tell you until you pay me.
I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. I am going to be on a sugar rush for the rest of the day.
This is my breakfast. I can't keep throwing things to you.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Oh, wow, that was good.
10 out of 10. Amazing.
Peak rating? No?
I hate the sugary coating.
See, that's what I think redeems it.
Because it makes it different from regular marshmallows.
Yeah, and it gives it like a crust.
Yeah.
Gritty. Bad.
That's why you're not
Well
on the
then.
show in a onesie.
So we feel pretty good. These don't have any flavor to them other than marshmallow, but they're really cute. Next, Junior Mints.
I love Junior Mints.
I know, I'm very excited. They have black and orange centers.
Oh, this is what I'm most excited for. I used to mess with the Junior Caramels when I went to the movies. Like that was my snack at the movie theater. Yeah.
I can support that, but I'd still feel the best about the mint version. Okay, do you think you're gonna get black or orange?
Okay. I'm voting orange.
Okay, you think orange?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say black for mine.
Oh, mine's black.
Also mine.
Oh. Yeah, that's lovely.
So good.
Yeah. That's always gonna be good.
This is the orange one. I really broke it terribly, but Chris. They're so good, right?
It's really good. You know what that reminds me of?
What?
After Eights.
Oh, that's
I
a
don't
throwback.
think I've ever had an after eight.
It's like a really old mint. Well, like not stale, but like
Old school mint?
yeah.
Oh, here's one you're gonna be excited about.
Oh, what is it?
I'm a terrible human.
Wait. Ah. The reason this makes me really angry is because Kit Kat is one of my favorite candies. But everything that tries to be pumpkin spice is always bad. Oh, they're individual.
It's not
Weird.
a Kit Kat then.
I was gonna say.
They're connected.
Yeah, you have to break it.
Yeah.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Maybe yours is the cat to my kit. Boop.
Why would you do? It's beside.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're right. You're right. Boop. Okay, ready? Let me smell it first. Oh.
That smells disgusting. Oh, that's so strong.
It's like artificial cinnamon, if that even existed.
No, it's on those cinnamon candies. It's the what do they call it?
Oh,
spicy
the little
cinnamon.
hearts.
Yes.
The hearts. The
Yes,
hearts.
that's what
Yes,
it
yes,
is.
yes. Okay. We just have to bite it. These are very controversial. Some people love them and say they taste exactly like pumpkin pie.
The taste is better than the smell. But I don't like it.
I don't know where I stand on these. I don't know if I stand in the camp of like, this is an interesting treat and like worthy of being included with Kit Kat, or like this shouldn't be included at all.
If you really like pumpkin pie, these are probably good, but it's just too artificial for me.
Yeah.
Would you believe me if I said my stomach is kind of upset on a breakfast of coffee and candy?
What are the chances? You should open these bad boys up. Oh wait, I need to do this properly. I've learned, everyone.
You didn't know that there was a tab?
No.
Oh, these are fun. Oh, and they have different designs on them. That's cute.
Do they all have different designs?
Well, mine's a spider web. Yeah, they do.
Oh, they do.
Dare to dunk. That's cool. But I
Okay.
appreciate Pop-Tart and Oreo for their variety.
And orange is like, it's just like, it's fun.
It's fun.
It's fun. Oh, it failed the separation test.
But
Mine did.
you didn't twist.
I did twist.
Did you?
It's fun.
I did a whole video on Oreos. You need to try the mint ones.
I love mint Oreos.
Oh, you have to see my little mold.
See, I'm pleased with this. I appreciate that they didn't mess with the original flavor. They just made it more fun to look at. That's super cool. Where'd you get that?
I made it.
You made this?
Look at that. I mean, it has like chocolate and stuff in it, but that is a mold.
Did it work?
Look.
Those are perfect.
I know.
These are good.
I mean, they just taste like regular Oreos, but like, no one's mad at that. Chris puts his hand up for one. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna get it all over the place.
Do you have no hand-eye coordination?
Nope.
You're gonna nail him square in the face. Here, about it.
I'm trying to see if I can aim through the ring light, but I don't think that's gonna work. Huh.
Not bad. Good.
Yeah, see? Right to you. Not bad. Don't say On to the next. I want more coffee. Now, of course, this is quintessential to Halloween, is the Pillsbury sugar cookies.
Like every holiday treat is like Pillsbury cookies.
Yeah. So I put them in. First of all, when you pull them out, I always forget because again, I usually just bake and make my own cookies. I don't eat cookies every night. I mean, or whatever. So this is what they look like when they're raw and haven't been baked. And they never spread out that much. But I appreciate that because it doesn't distort the design, which is the reason that I bought it. I just really like these.
See, and I really want to be a team player because everyone likes these and there's not much to object to, and I get that. I would just never reach for this.
There's just something about it that I just need in my life,
I think it's nostalgia for a lot of people. I think a lot of people had these growing up, but I didn't.
Hello, Scott.
Scott, what's your opinion on Pillsbury sugar cookies? The holiday ones? Yeah, they're pretty good. Well, you're interrupting filming. No, they can't hear you. He goes, hi, guys. Scott, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Is he about to have milk with them?
I don't know.
What I thought you were doing is making like a baked Alaska. I thought you were doing some marshmallow whip, and I thought I saw a lighter.
This is apple cider?
Apple cider, yeah.
Apple cider icing on a sugar cookie. And you know what? I feel like this is fair. Have you tried this?
This icing?
Yeah, it's so good.
It's better?
Yeah, better with the icing on it.
Does it actually taste like apple cider?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's really good.
Oh, I hate that.
Really?
I really hate that. The flavor is interesting. I'll say that.
It smells really good.
Oh, it smells really good.
Yes.
Oh, I would like a candle that smells like this.
That's what I said, but then I was like, ooh, that'd be really appley though.
Like, I'm trying to think of what I would like this. Like, I don't think I'd want this on a cupcake.
I was thinking like a gingerbread
Yeah,
cupcake or like a spice cake.
I think they nailed apple cider.
I know. Here's one that I cannot participate in, but Chris is excited about.
Oh, because you know allergy?
M&Ms. Yeah.
Let's dive into this.
Christopher's in. These aren't peanut flavored though.
No.
These are dark chocolate.
Oh.
Cocoa Crisp Center with a layer of dark chocolate.
I'll smell it.
Oh, that's a different texture. Almost like a toffee texture inside.
They're not as creepy as they advertise.
Creepy level is 0. Taste level?
2 or 3, not 0. I'm a little scared.
It's a little chocolatey for me. It's too heavy on chocolate for my taste.
The bitterness of the dark chocolate is there and it's good.
Can you identify what I'm trying to say with that texture inside? Like the aerated?
Sponge toffee.
Thank you.
Is
There we go.
that Score Bar?
No,
It's,
crunchy.
thank you.
Of everything that you've tried, Chris, what is your favorite? Oh, no, hold on. You can't say it until you've tried this. Pumpkin pie. Kit Kat!
Right. No, that's not good. I like the Junior Mints best because I like minted chocolate.
Right.
Yes.
But that's not a Halloween special edition. That's just dyed. And same with the Pop-Tarts. I mean, that's just a chocolate
Yeah.
fudge Pop-Tart, which is tasty.
But you're saying in terms of the things you've tasted that have been changed for a Halloween taste.
Yeah, that's got to be the M&Ms.
They're really the only ones that did, though.
The Kit
then the
Kats,
Kit
yeah.
Kat. But, like, literally
The
everything
Oreos
else
aren't
is just,
any
like,
different,
orange.
right? No, they're just dyed.
like, regular, yeah.
I like that because I don't like Halloween flavors, but I feel like if you were looking for a special flavor, it's almost difficult.
But wait, hold on. What is a Halloween flavor?
Can I have another Pop-Tart? Thank you.
Saw this one too?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. What was your favorite and least favorite? Hold on. Wait, I need my hood up for this.
The favorite thing in terms of taste I had was the Junior Mints because I like chocolate mint.
Least favorite?
Definitely Frankenberry.
That was
Terrible.
nasty. Although, more than the pumpkin pie Kit Kat, though.
Yes. It just
Ooh.
tasted like that medicine you have to have when you're a kid. Or like even when you go to the dentist and have that like fluoride.
Oh, I always ask for mint.
Well, so do I, but you get the gist.
I'm trying to be different here, but I can't because I also really like the Junior Mints. And I disliked, Frankenberries. They were so gross. They were really, really bad. I'm still sad about it.
I didn't get any Frankenberry.
Oh, lucky you.
You know what was terrible? Frankenberries. Christopher.
Give it to me.
I drove to New York for this. Might as well try it.
You drove to New York?
He did.
When did you go to
New York State.
I see you like every day.
That's corn pops. That just tastes exactly like corn pops.
Originally,
It does
yes, but do
not.
you not have an
It does
aftertaste?
not.
No, I had the exact
Stitch
same.
disagrees.
That was my exact thought originally, but do you not get a bad aftertaste?
Fruity Pebble aftertaste, maybe, but
No.
These are shockingly corn pop-ish.
Yeah, it's the same texture, but and that's why I got it first. But then the
Bad
syrupy-
medicine aftertaste. They're not
You've
Fruity
eaten
Pebbles.
a lot of that, and I don't like it.
I'm upset that he's eating this still.
Not bad.
Fruity Pebbles do not taste like that.
Go ahead, do your outro. I'm just gonna
Get
eat
out.
these. Give this video a big thumbs up, etc.
If you want Chris to stop eating the Fruity Pebbles.
They're not Fruity Pebbles! I feel like this video, while we did try a bunch of novelty items, not all of them had an interesting flavor or interesting. I still is just Chris in the background just.
Yeah, you're still going.
Well, you know what?
pretty
This is
good.
what
You
he
guys
does
are
in
harsh.
videos. Stand by my
I know
opinion.
you're wrong is because I can smell it, and if you can't taste what I'm smelling, then but you have nose issues, so maybe that's like also your taste buds.
That could be it.
Maybe you
This-
have no
this is-
sense of taste either.
You're
Oh,
wearing that.
fighting
You're telling me I don't
word.
have taste?
Hey, I bought that.
How dare you, for starter?
It's also turned the milk light pink.
What
Bonus.
is
Is that an asset for you?
Bonus.
I'm not impressed.
You know why that additionally grosses me? You ate that whole bowl.
So thanks for coming, everyone.
What is happening to this video?
Can we
Well-
trot off?
Well, obviously we're gonna trot off.
Stitch has that walk.
He has
Stitch
like a
does that-
waddle.
Yeah, it's like.
First, we have to thank people for staying until this end of the video. If you saw the waddle, you are OG best. Leave a comment below. 'Cause it's- What are you doing?
Well, there was a hole in my.
I have a tail? Yo, unicorn. You can't be a unicorn without a tail. Dibs and Charlie in the morning.
Oh, wait, do you go first or do I go?
No.
Thanks for coming.